Another question that we're often asked is, can anybody self-represent, and should everybody self-represent? And obviously the answer to that question is no, it's not for everyone. There are certain people that just don't have the capability of doing it because they get too nervous and they're not able to present themselves in a manner in the courtroom that's going to get them what they want. But more particularly, I find in a lot of situations, some cases are just too complex for people who are not lawyers to really do a good job with. Law is no different than any other complicated trade. Just like a lot of people couldn't do their own electrical work or their own plumbing, or they couldn't conduct an operation if they're a doctor. I guess you can put a Band-Aid on a cut, but you couldn't cut someone open and take out their appendix unless you went to school. So there are legal cases that are similar. Some of them are equivalent to putting a Band-Aid on a cut, and some of them are equivalent to complex neurosurgery. And if you're the kind that's involved in a case that's like neurosurgery, there's no way you can do it yourself and be successful. At the end of the day, the emotional damage to you and the emotional cost to you will be huge, and your success will be minimal. So there are times when you need a lawyer. But in the majority of the cases that go through our family courts in Ontario, people can conduct them themselves. People can be their own lawyers, and people can self-represent. And that's what we're here to help you learn how to do. And our methods of teaching you are efficient, and they're helpful, and they're going to increase your opportunities of success by a very wide margin. We provide you with forms on our website. Again, if you go to divorceadviceontario.com, you'll see that there are free forms. Not only are there free forms, but there are sample forms. There are forms from actual court cases where we have changed the names to protect the innocent, but they're actual forms. So the wording that is used in those forms is the wording that was used in an actual court case. And there's a variety of forms for you to look at. And at our seminars and workshops, we provide sample forms as well. They give you an idea of the types of things you have to say and the way the forms need to be filled out. There are videos on the website that you can watch that will give you advice. And we will be placing video kits on the website soon. Some of them will be free, some of them you'll have to purchase. They'll provide various stages of assistance and instruction, and they also are very, very helpful. So I encourage you, if you're going to self-represent, to invest the time to go to the website and look through the things and the tools that are available to you on that website that are going to help you with your case.